We have discussed different topics related to it like clauses and then its types, dependent and independent clauses, and then we discussed the difference between simple and compound sentences, and today we are going to discuss the complex sentences. Let's start. First of all, you have to keep in mind that complex sentences is a combination of both dependent and independent sentences. We can have one or more than one independent and dependent sentences at the same time. Like here is an example. I didn't go to school because I was not well. So first of all, we have an independent clause here. I didn't go to school. So why? Because I was not well. So here we have the dependent clause and we have also the subordinating conjunction because. So it is the combination of both independent and dependent clause. It is called a complex sentence. Let's discuss the further examples of complex sentences. Calls would not last long. So this is called an independent clause. It can stand alone, but when I say if the fault were only on one side, it is called a dependent clause, and if is the subordinating conjunction. So here you can see both the independent and dependent clause in the same sentence. So this is called a complex sentence. Another sentence, they rested when evening came. So they rested is an independent clause. When evening came is an example of dependent clause, and when is the subordinating conjunction. Another sentence, before the bell rang, the students packed up and the teacher collected their work. So before the bell rang, it is an example of dependent clause. And here we have two principal clauses or independent clauses. The students packed up, this is one, an independent clause, and the teacher collected their work. There is another example of an independent clause. So we have two principal clauses here in this sentence and one dependent clause. It is called a complex sentence. Okay, he trudged on though he was very tired. So here again we have an independent clause, he trudged on, and though he was very tired, it is an example of dependent clause, and though is the subordinating conjunction. We have discussed enough examples and you are going to go through it. Hope so. Inshallah, we will discuss the other topics soon. Allah Hafiz.